Scary moment. I'm about to see the condition of the filter of the 480 after 2,500 miles or so, 3,000 miles or so. I do a lot of city driving, not that much highway, so I know there'll be some trash in there because it's new and everything. The guy told me that originally built it, hey, fill it and forget about it. But after having some issues with it in the beginning, which if you haven't saw it, you can go see. I've had to lose some fluid, fix some lines, fix some stuff. The heat broke, so I will take a look at it. So far so good, but it drives fine, but I'm gonna take a look at it, fingers crossed. I don't see any pieces of metal. Very, very good sign, because that fluid looks brand new. Kind of dumped in here just in case. You never know. Very happy. Very freaking happy. This was floating around in my head if it was gonna be good or not. So I'll take it, I'll drop the filter, see what the filter looks like, and then this thing should be ready to go. Should be ready for stage 2 pretty soon. There we go. There we go. She's spitting up now. Cool, cool, cool. I'll take it apart. Dang, I can sleep comfortable today. Focus, you piece of shit. This actually looks really good. We got little pieces of little stuff in there, but it's all good. It's all good. So some people may say that, oh, you're gonna ruin it, blah blah blah, 2,500, you should just leave the fluid in it that's in it. If you don't know, I put this fluid in, had a bunch of issues with the guy that put it together, so I took the pan off and I replaced the internal harness right here because this line was pinched. He had the harness pinched in a weird way. Something was going on somewhere where it was pinching the line. How was that? I forgot. But I'll have it in another video. So I had to replace this, take it back apart, put it back together. Then I got the trans cooler right there. And those fittings, I cannot get the correct fittings to stop leaking. So that, taking the cooler apart, come in here, taking the cooler, dropping it, adding a quart, dropping it again, adding a quart, dropping it, adding a quart for the cooler, because now that the lines are there, boom, let that set in. So now we're approximately, I would say, from the cooler and everything being sealed to now is about maybe 1,500 miles or so, and in total we're probably about 2,000 miles on this. So everything's good. This is cherry. I'm gonna change the filter. I'm gonna pop this filter out, clean everything up, and then I'm gonna ship it, dude. So inside the filter, looking pretty normal, little gray metal stuff here, but this filter is like just folded. So this is what the filter caught. And it doesn't look like any of this made it through the actual suction into here. That's why I wanted to replace the filter and fluid exchange, because of all the dirt and debris that this thing was exposed to before. Take a look at that. So all the fluid is going to come up in through here, and if anything did get sucked in here, it got caught. Look at that. I mean, this just looks like, it doesn't even look like specifically, like, it looks like regular debris. No, it doesn't look like specifically clutch material or whatever, but we're good now. Let's get this apart. That's glued. That's in. Oh yeah, because that's in there. See, I rubbed my finger in there, so not too bad. I'll give it a clean bill of health right now and call it a day.